As the world becomes a global village, the demand for AI translation earbuds has surged among international travelers and professionals. These devices are especially appealing to typists and gamers who collaborate with global teams and require hands-on freedom without fumbling for translation apps. This guide evaluates top-tier models based on their latency speed, build quality, multi-mode layout, and overall value for real-time, fluid communication. The 188 language edition represents the pinnacle of linguistic diversity in the wearable market. Designed for the true globetrotter, these earbuds leverage 4 powerful translation engines to achieve a staggering 99% accuracy rate. The highlight of this model is its ultra-low latency. Translations are delivered in as little as 0.5 seconds, making it possible to maintain the natural rhythm of a conversation without the awkward processing pauses typical of older technology. Constructed with a sleek, ergonomic in-ear design, these earbuds are built for long-duration wear during business conferences or extended transit. They feature an interpreting mode where each participant wears one earbud, facilitating a private, two-way dialogue that feels nearly telepathic. The battery life is equally impressive, offering up to 5 hours of continuous translation on a single charge, with an additional 19 hours provided by the compact charging case. For users who find themselves in diverse linguistic environments, from the bustling markets of Southeast Asia to European boardrooms, the 188 language support ensures you are never at a loss for words. Product number 2. AI Translation Earbuds Real-Time 144 Language Audífonos Traductores. Specifically optimized for the most common global pairings, such as English and Spanish, the 144 language model is a favorite for North American and European travelers. This version often features Audífonos Traductores branding, reflecting its popularity in Spanish-speaking markets. It excels in clarity, utilizing dual beamforming microphones and ENC, environmental noise cancellation, to isolate the speaker's voice from background city clamor. This model is praised for its speaker mode, which allows you to wear both earbuds while your phone speaker broadcasts the translation to the other person. This is ideal for quick interactions like ordering food or asking for directions, where handing over an earbud isn't practical. The build quality is robust, featuring IPX4 sweat resistance that makes them suitable for humid climates. Its dedicated app is user-friendly and doesn't require a monthly subscription, adding significant long-term value. For those who want a reliable, high-fidelity translator that doubles as a pair of high-quality music headphones, this 144-language variant is a versatile 3-in-1 solution. Product number 3. AI Translation Earbuds Real-Time 168 Languages. The 168 language model bridges the gap between portability and professional-grade processing. It is powered by a high-performance Bluetooth 5.3 chip, ensuring a rock-solid connection to your smartphone even in crowded areas like airports or train stations. This version introduces touch mode, where you simply tap the earbud to start recording and release to hear the translation, giving the user total control over the conversational flow. The design features a lightweight 45-degree angled fit that sits securely in the ear canal, minimizing ear fatigue during long lectures or film screenings. Its language library is particularly strong in regional accents and dialects, which is a common pain point for lesser devices. The accompanying software often includes a voice-to-text feature, which is a boon for typists and students who need to transcribe translated meetings or study sessions in real time. With a 30-hour total battery life and a fast charging case, it is a workhorse for anyone who needs dependable, all-day linguistic assistance. Product number 4. AI Translation Earbuds Real-Time 164 Language. The 164 language edition is often recognized as the best all-rounder for those who prioritize software stability. By narrowing the focus to 164 deeply sampled languages, the AI engine is able to provide more nuanced translations that account for local slang and formal versus informal address. This makes it particularly useful for expatriates living abroad who need to navigate more than just basic tourist phrases. One of the standout features of this model is its offline mode capability for major language pairs. While most AI earbuds require a data connection, this unit allows you to download offline packs for languages like Chinese, French, and German, a lifesaver in remote areas or when traveling without a local SIM card. The build features a premium matte finish that resists fingerprints and a magnetic snap-in case that feels high-end. It offers a listen mode, which is perfect for solo travelers. The earbuds continuously translate surrounding speech or announcements, providing a constant stream of information in your native tongue. Product number 5. AI Simultaneous Interpretation Earbuds. 6 modes, 164 languages. This specialized model is designed for high-stakes communication, featuring a unique simultaneous interpretation mode that functions like a professional human interpreter. Instead of the talk, pause, translate cycle, it provides a continuous audio stream of the translation while the other person is still speaking. This is achieved through a 6-mode layout that includes specialized settings for phone calls, video chats, and even camera translation via the app. The hardware is optimized for vocal frequencies, ensuring that the AI-generated voice sounds natural rather than robotic. It is a true phonetic assistant, capable of summarizing long conversations and providing digital transcripts. For gamers who stream and interact with international audiences or professionals conducting Zoom calls across borders, the integration of 164 languages with simultaneous interpretation is a game changer. The value here lies in its ability to handle complex, multi-person interactions without losing the thread of the conversation. It is a professional tool shrunk down into a stylish, pocketable form factor.